In this video, I'm going to show you a Studio Ninja CRM tutorial. Studio Ninja is a dedicated customer relationship management platform designed specifically for photographers and creative professionals. It simplifies managing clients, projects, invoices, and schedules, freeing up more time to focus on your passion, which is photography. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to get started with Studio Ninja and explore how it can transform your photography business. So first, what is Studio Ninja? Studio Ninja is a cloud-based CRM tailored to the needs of photographers. It provides tools to manage every aspect of your business, from booking clients to automating follow ups. Its intuitive design makes it a favorite among beginners and seasoned professionals alike. So, now let's get started. So, simply go to their website, which is studioninja.co, and click here on Get Started for free. So from here, you need to fill all of this information or simply sign up using Google. I'm just going to sign up using Google. Click on continue. And right here, you need to choose your currency. So I'm from the Philippines, so I'm just going to select our currency. Now click on I agree and click on complete sign up. And as you can see right here, they will introduce you to their subscriptions or plans, which is the starter, pro, or master. But for now, we just want to explore Studio Ninja first. So click here on maybe later, take me to the free trial. And now they have a tour right here. So as you can see, we can click on continue the tour. So you want to connect your email, continue with tour, and continue with tour. So now this is what our dashboard will look like. So we will see graphs right here, analytics, your performance. So this is just a sample. All of these are just samples by Studio Ninja. Let's click on next. So you can see this will be our business analytics. We can see how many leads are coming in, how many shoots or jobs you have booked, your payments that are due, and how much money you have made year on year. Now click on next. As you can see, these is our lead sources. So we have 50% from Instagram and 50% on referral. Next is our upcoming shoots and appointments. So this is like our calendar. So just a sample, we have a demo portrait lead on December 25 and a wedding job on this November 25, 2025. So this is like our calendar. Of course, we can always add new schedules right there. Click on next. And from here, we will see our most recent leads, our overdue and upcoming payments, our to-do due dates or job tasks. And from here, we can manage our jobs. Basically, this is what your dashboard will look like. You will see all of what you need and all of your performance and metrics. Next is we want to go to clients. So from here, this is the client's overview page. So as you can see, you will see your clients right here. So if you want to add a new client, just click here on the top right, add in their first name, their last name, their phone number, email, address, their state, their country. Of course, you can always add notes so that you won't be confused which or who is this client. And of course, you can check this box if this client is a company and invoices will be addressed to the company. And of course, you can always import clients. If you don't want to manually add your clients, you can always import your clients via uploading a CSV file. Next is our leads. So this is the leads overview page. As you can see, we have the sample lead right here. Lead name is demo portrait lead. The type is family portrait. Main shoot date is this date. Mail status, new lead, and the next task is this. Of course, if you want to add new lead, again, just click right here. Now select the client name, the lead details, which is the name, the job type. From job type, as you can see, we have a bunch of different job types right here, such as event, fashion, maternity, newborn, other, pet, and so on. Lead source, we can also select right here. They are from Facebook, Instagram, a partner, a referral, depends on you, depends on where you got this lead. Now you want to select the date right here when is the main shoot, or if not, if no date has been confirmed yet, just click right here. And the location of the shoot, of course. And again, you can add note if you don't want to be confused, who is this lead. Next is we have the job section. So from here, as you can see, you will see your active jobs with upcoming shoot, and your completed jobs. So this is like your to-do list. So if you want to add a new job, just click right here, and of course, fill up all of this information. This is just the same as creating a new lead. Next is we have our calendar. And as you can see, you also have your calendar right here in Studio Ninja. So let's say you have a job or a shoot on Friday. So you will see it right here in this Friday, November 29 box. Of course, you can always click this date too to add a new schedule. So let's say the 29th, you have a main shoot for your lead, or you have a new job, an extra shoot, or an appointment. Let's say an appointment. So just fill up this information. Let's say test. Then let's select the uh, date or the time, location, at this appointment. Click on save appointment. Choose active lead. So just enter the job name, and after you save your appointment, of course, you will see it right here. Next is the payments tab. So from here, you will see all of your payments. So if you have upcoming payments, you'll see it right here. You can also sort it if you want to see unpaid and paid payments. And the next one is your settings. So from here, you can edit your account and subscription, your companies, users, and of course, you can refer a friend. And from here, you have your company's settings, such as currency and taxes, email settings, payment methods, your client portal, your contact form. You can create them right here. You can also create your email templates right here. And that's basically all of the features of Studio Ninja. So it's really user friendly, and it will always help you in your photography business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.